Hey, how you doing? Jimmy Marcone, former child star, former teen idol. Um, so this is spring, and more importantly, it's tornado season, which I'm in the Midwest now, which just basically means that God is trying to kill everyone with wind, and it's pretty much just vengeance is what's happening. So yeah, uh, like uh, like every couple nights this week, it seems there've been tornado warnings. Uh, the basement has flooded, and it kind of smells like ass in here, but not the normal kind of ass that it usually smells like. It smells like a different, new type of ass. So that's what's happening. Anyway, if this is really the case where God is putting his vengeance down on earth, then this is how he expresses it. He expresses it with towers of wind and things like that. So far, we've been lucky, haven't got hit, but it's it's a close thing every night. Anyway, that's what's going on right now. So stay safe and subscribe and stuff, and hit whatever buttons that you need to hit to do the money, because it hasn't happened yet, but I'm hoping it does. So yeah, do that. All right, again, stay safe and subscribe and stuff. Okay.